Hey, what's good, y'all? My name is Proxy Sales, bro, and today in this video, bro, I am so excited because I'm finna show y'all what we got today. So stick towards the end of the video and you'll see. Let's get it. And beforehand, I want to say thank you all so much. And if you want to learn what I do, I'm gonna have a link in the description and in the pinned comment. I verify my YouTube just so I can do that. I'm gonna teach you guys for the best price out of anybody, for the cheapest, for the lowest rate, more than anybody would ever teach you in one simple guide. Hey, stick towards the video and see if that suits you, bro, because I promise you I have the best price for this. But stick towards the end of the video, bro, and see if it interests you, because I almost guarantee it will. So let's get it. Swiper Guide Pros, bro. The purchase process is easy, bro. Link in the description and in the pinned comment, and you know you gotta have that crypto. But I do want to preface this by saying, bro, a bunch of people have been messaging me, bro, you have to have crypto. It is almost a must in this game to have. No matter what kind, whether USDT, whatever, BTC, whatever, you almost have to have it. Like 99% of the time you have to have it. I accept all forms of payment most of the time, but right now I'm stuck with personally only crypto, so it's times like these where it comes in really like handy, so it's almost a must have in this game. So number 2 is you learn more than anyone else will teach you for the price, bro. No one's gonna teach you for the price I'm teaching you, bro. If you were gonna sit there and you were gonna try to tell me that this guy for 100 bones is expensive, I should slap you, bro, because just look at the guy down there. Look at what it says down there. Look at all you like. Nobody is teaching you all of this stuff all at once for one price, bro, like of this cheap of price. Come on, you gotta realize that. I've been giving you guys sauce, but I haven't been giving you the full sauce. You know that. I've been clickbaiting stuff. No, I never really clickbait. I just want to get your attention so you see what I'm talking about, so you know that you are going to get some sauce, and you can hit me up so I can make a little bread off. But y'all know me. I'm a greedy bastard. Number 3, bro, it's a one-time purchase. I'm not charging you $50 a month for a Discord like some other, you know, influential figures out. Number 4 is you learn swiping, setting up proxies, how to buy your own cheesecakes, linkies, even how to swipe BTC, and, you know, a lot more in this guide. Bro, all of this stuff all at once I'm teaching you. I'm teaching you so much gate-kept sauce that you almost need this, bro. Because if you tried to learn this from anyone else, bro, they can't even come up with a price lower than this. They wouldn't dream of selling something like this for the lower price that I am. And number 5, you also learn how to stay safe with everything included. That means names everything that you need. It has everything included that you will need to stay safe and stuff like that, bro. So it's really essential as well. Number 6, it comes with the sites that I use for dumps, cheesecakes, and the proper ways to avoid getting, you know, the unalive one. Nothing hurts more than when you buy a cheesecake and it's like not alive, bro. So if you want to stop that from happening, that's another good pro to the guy. Number 7, bro, a ton of bins are included, bro. These are my go-to bins that I personally use, bro. All non-VB. Number 8, it teaches the beginners the basics while helping the experienced dive further. If you have experience with proxies and your own digital forms of marketing, then, you know, you are, well, we'll call it digital marketing. But if you're already experienced, this stuff is going to teach you things that you might not have even known. So, you know, it's good for the beginners and the experienced. And number 9, bro, the most essential thing is beginners can follow and become pros, while pros can advance their knowledge and become masters. Bro, there's some things in here that I know some of you masters out there don't even know, bro. That's what's crazy. And here's the best part. Y'all know I don't offer refunds. If you buy this and you don't like it, I'm giving you a refund, because there's no reason you should not like it. I have an entirely different wallet set up, so when you send it, you can just tell me your order ID and I got you. If you ever at all any point want a refund, just let me know and I got you. So now that I looked at the pros, you already know we gotta look at the cons, bro. So let's go ahead and see the cons. Cons. You'll save so much money. Bro, look, y'all think I'm trolling? Y'all really think I'm trolling? But there are people been complaining that they're saving money. Bro, I got people coming to me either saying, Proxy, you're taxing, bro. Or, Proxy, bro, I'm saving too much money. Like, I don't get how people can't see the basic evidence that's in front of them, bro. I swear to this, my telechat is the only one that has my messages to where you can literally click and see where the vouchers are forwarded from, and you can ask them personally. Hey, but once again, y'all, it's going to be in the pinned comment and in the description, bro, and I hope y'all enjoy this guy, bro. Give this guy a chance. See how far you can advance, because I promise you, this is the most informational guide out there. No one is going to teach you the things that I'm going to teach you for this price, bro. You are going to learn so much about investing, finance, etc., etc. Y'all know what I really mean. But, hey, bro, keeping it real, I hope y'all love this guy, bro. I put together as much as I possibly could for the best price I possibly could for y'all, because if I would be charging like market price for this, it'd easily be $500 or $600, bro. Because again, I'm just trying to put on. That's basically what I do. I done told y'all from day one, it's not fully about money for me. I like money. Everybody likes money, but I'm always be honest. Does keeping my prices lower make me more money in the long run? Yeah, but it's not about that. It's about how many people I can put on and how many people I can help in this community, bro. I love y'all to death. Y'all help me in the worst times of my life, bro, and I truly appreciate y'all, man. And shit, I've been Proxy Sales. I see you guys in my Telegram chat and by the guide, by the way, in the description and the pinned comment. See ya.